Hey guys, so welcome back to smarttrader. In this particular video, we will be learning how to use open interest to predict the stock direction. So if you are a new viewer to this particular channel, then hit that red color subscribe button because we'll be having a lot of unlimited learning for free. So before I start off, a small clarity. Let's say you have a question, what if you learn this open interest, will I be able to predict 100% of the stock direction? My answer is no. See, it's like this. Let's say you want to learn English and in my first class, I taught you the letter A in English. So you learn that, and if you feel that you have learned full of English and tomorrow someone says stock in English, all you can say is A. The person listening to it who knows A to Z will definitely understand that you have a long way to go, but you are confident that you know it. So same way, by just understanding what is open interest is just a parameter to you. There are many other parameters through which you can definitely predict the stock direction, but this is one among that. Just like our A, there are many other things which you need to use along with open interest, which you can add on so that you can predict the stock direction. Maybe your 10 parameters, maybe 5 or 6 or 7 may work out, 3 may go wrong. So at least all these parameters is giving an overall judgment that okay, everything is pushing towards this direction, everything is pushing towards that direction. So this is one of the parameters, so keep this reality in mind. Alright guys, so these are the slides I have created for you to explain. I have planned in such a way that even a beginner who doesn't even understand what is this open interest will know what it is, and then we will see what are the logics we can use. So first of all, what is this open interest? A big question in your mind. So before to that, I would ask you what is volume. So you would have seen this volume. If you buy one person is buying one quantity and one person is selling one quantity, then the traded volume is 1, right? Someone is buying, someone is selling. Together they did a trade, buy and sell. So the traded volume is 1. So if I show you on the chart, so if you see here, this is the volume, around 26 lakh volumes. So someone has bought and someone has sold. So overall the traded volume is so much. Same way, that's what I give an example. One buy, one sell, it becomes one traded volume. So what is open interest? So now a lot of people have this confusion. Open interest, volume, is everything similar? No, these two are totally different parameters. You can use this totally differently. So that was volume. So what is open interest? Open interest is something which comes in derivatives, that is futures and options. Open interest will be there. So in that we buy contracts. Okay, so it's not we are buying stock, we are buying a contract. So in contract, let's say one person buys one contract, and if one person sells one contract, we call it two open interest. It's not like traded volume, it's a contract, because his contract is open. Okay, the buyer's contract is open. The seller, someone who's selling, his contract is open. I know it is matched and the contract is done, but from both the end, the contracts are still open. His contract is not yet expired. He has not closed his position. If he has to close, he has to sell his position or allow it to expire. Same way, who has sold, he should allow it to expire or close his positions before expiring. So both of them has not closed. So in this case, he has opened one, he has opened one. So the two open interest. Okay, so here traded volume is different, open interest is different. That's the reason I gave this simple example. So number of contracts open. If somebody is buying two contracts are open, and somebody is selling three contracts, 2 plus 3. Let's say here it is 2. Let's say someone is selling 3. Totally 5 contracts are open. Okay, same way traded volume is not like that. If let's say 2 people are buying, 2 people are selling, the traded volume is only 2. So this is the difference between the volume and open interest. Keep this in mind. Now let's go and look into some practical observations, because a lot of them don't after seeing this will be confused. What is this open interest? How does it look? So I'll just show you in the chart. Now, like I told you, it comes in derivatives. So for Reliance, this is a stock. If you want an option, you can just go and search. Let's say any of your broker, whichever broker you're using, you can just go and search any of the stock. Let's say, okay, so you have Reliance here. You have futures here, August, September, October. After that, what do you have? You have this option, CE, PE and all these options. So let's say you are adding all these options. Now, if you look into these options, you see something called OI, right? See this OI. OI is 1750. Let's say for this option, the OI is 1250. Now let me take something closer. Let's say the price of Reliance is 2100. So I will type Reliance 2100. So all the options near 2000, August, September, October will come. Let me add the CE and PE for you. So these are the options for August. Look at this. The volume traded is 57 lakh, whereas the open interest is how much? 32 lakhs, right? So these are the volume traded till now, and the open interest, the contract still open in this particular contract, that is Reliance 2100 contract, is so much. All right, so you're getting my point. So OI and volume is totally different topics. If someone is buying and someone is selling, it becomes a volume traded. But open interest is if someone is buying, if two people are buying, two contracts are open, two people are selling, four contracts, totally four. Okay, everybody have opened their position. Until and unless they close their position, there is no point. So that is open interest. Same thing which you can see in your broker, different brokers are used and all that. You can check out. You can check out in NSE India also, not a problem. So you get to know your stock options. How do you go there? Go to market data, derivative markets. Okay, so these all are top 20 contracts. I would say, let's say stock options. These are Reliance, Tata Steel, SBI. So I've taken an example of Reliance as of now. Okay, so if you see here, the open interest is this for Reliance. So keep this in mind. This is how open interest looks, and volume is different. Open interest is totally different. So now you know what is the how it looks and where it comes. It is totally different. I showed you practically. In your broker also you can check on your derivative, futures or option, you can check this. Now what are the logics? Now you know the basics of open interest, so how it is, how different it is. Now what is the logic we are going to apply to use this open interest and then try to predict our stock? Okay, let's say our stock is Reliance. Now the value of Reliance is how much? Let's go to the stock. So this is the stock, Reliance. So Reliance is trading around how much? 2109. Now currently I want to buy futures or Reliance or sell Reliance. I don't know. Okay, so either you're trading in futures or in stock, you want to buy, let's say, Reliance. So I don't know what the mentality of other traders are or derivative traders are. Okay, I need to know one part of the, I know fundamental analysis traders are there, technical traders are there. Okay, so different traders have different views to it. So I want to know this part of traders, that is open interest, the ones who are into derivative market, where are they predicting the stock to move? For that, we need to see the option chain of this particular Reliance. So let's say this is the, you can go to any of the options here, click here and go to option chain. Now this will be available in most of the broker. Let's say if I go to Angel Broking, you have, now it is called as Angel One, but anyways, if you go to here directly in markets option chain, you can directly find which stock you want. You will get the option chain. Okay, or if you don't know how to which broker using, you want to do only practice, then go to market data. Let's say stock option is here, or directly go to any company which you want. Let's say Reliance here. I'll show you direct method. Go to Reliance. So this is the stock. You get to know what is the stock, how much delivery in today's 24 lakh quantity traded. In this 11 lakh is derivable quantity, so 46%, and all that information you get. But all right. So over here, if you check in the top, derivatives. So once you click derivatives, this is Reliance derivatives. So in Reliance derivative, you have all this information. Go to option chain. You will get to know all the details of Reliance, and the stock is trading somewhere in this level. That's why you see a difference here. Same thing, if I go to option chain here in Zerodha, can see full option chain. Everywhere you see the same option chain only with different interface. This is sensible. So now the stock is trading somewhere in this range. That's why it's here. If you see, the color is changed over here. This is the range. Now this is the call option. If you see, this side is the put options. Okay, call option means a lot of people are betting it will go up that side. Put options, a lot of people are betting it will go this side. At 2100, this one is a strike price where you can consider your stock price. So 2100 is a stock price. After that, you see here, this is in lakhs. So 32 lakhs. After that, 13 lakhs, 16 lakhs, 11, 36 lakhs. So on what price? 2200. So a lot of derivative traders are betting on 2200, that the stock has a tendency to go towards the 2200. More number of contracts are here basically. A lot of people are betting this side. Now let's say put option. Put option, let's say here we don't have much, but towards this side we have 15 lakhs, and then we have something like 6 lakh, that's all. So what is the price? 2000 and this side. So if I compare this side with this side, 32 lakhs, which the price has already reached today. Today the stock is up and it has already touched the betting price. Now a lot of traders are betting towards 2200. So the stock has an opportunity to, as per this derivative traders, it has an opportunity to go towards that side. or else why will they put their contract over there? Why will they bet on that particular strike price, right? So it is related to options and all that, but as a equity trader also you can take advantage of their psychology. Now you understood here more volume is there, but one more thing what you have to check is percentage. So if you see open interest percentage here and here, okay, see from yesterday to today what is the change? This 32 lakh whatever you see, it has reduced because all people are betting more and it's already reached now. No more people are betting here. Now people are betting here. If you see here 36 lakh is 4% up from yesterday. That's the reason you see 4% change is there. So the percentage change has happened, and basically there is more volume here and the percentage is also increasing. That means a lot of them are betting again today also that the stock price is still live. Same way if you see here, okay, this 12 and let's say 15 lakh. Here the percentage is falling 3%. So number of contracts are reduced here. People are closed their position. Not many are confident here as of today. As of now, right now what I'm seeing real time data, the number of people have reduced, the contracts are reduced and number of contracts are increasing here. So the chances of the stock to move as of today, tomorrow these numbers will change again. As of today, the contracts are more here compared to this side, downside, and 2200 is having highest contracts and the percentage is also increasing. So as and when the percentage increase and the stock price also moves, that means strong buying is happening. All right. So you need to understand by checking this option chain to know which direction the volume, I mean, this is in lakhs. So 36 lakh, 32 lakhs. So 36 lakh is more, then only 14 lakh is there and so on. Here nothing else. And then here we have around like 12 lakh and then 15 lakh. So 15 lakh is the highest. Almost if you see comparatively, no much contracts open. And the percentage wise also if you see here, this one is reducing and this side is increasing. So roughly I would say this side percentage is increasing, and currently people's mindset is to buy direction on this particular stock. So let's say I'm buying this stock for tomorrow, day after tomorrow target, and I have my calculation. Fundamentally the stock is going to go up. Technically I felt okay, I got a signal in technically buying here. What about the option traders? What about the derivative traders? Where are they betting? So I will come and cross check with my open interest and option chain. So a lot of people are betting here. Okay, calculation says 2200. So I need to calculate based on these information. If you're not using any broker or directly you can check here in nseindia.com, directly search the stock name. Like I told you, instead of equity, click on derivatives. You get the option chain and manually check what are the informations. If you're having Sensible, very good. It will show in graphical representation, very easy for you, live data. So you can use this. It's free as of now. I have not paid anything, but it is free. You can just go through, log in through your Zerodha and just check. And most of the brokers use Sensible, so you can directly go to Sensible by logging through your broker. That was more about this open interest, how you can cross check. This is one of the parameters. So I would like to summarize this by saying, see, different people have different style of predicting the stocks. Let's say a few people follow price action. So according to them, a pattern breakout, they will go based on that. A few traders have fundamental analysis as their strength. So they will analyze the books and all that, and they feel this over, intrinsic value is higher, lower, and they try to take the stock. A few people go by technical analysis. They get an indicator, let's say RSI is giving a buy or super trend or MACD. Then they calculate all that basis, overbought, oversold, and then they take a buy. Few others have a different logic. So depending on their own style, they do it. So I would not say they are wrong, because they are right in their own way, because these things have worked for them. So they say their style is better for them. So that is their opinion, and we need to respect everybody's opinion. So my opinion is there is nothing wrong in learning everyone's style. Learn technical analysis, learn fundamental analysis, learn price action, learn all these methods. I'm not saying go and master in everything. I'm just telling understand all these concepts. What is the advantage of understanding all this concept is, see, for example, if you know where a price action trader is taking advantage, if you know a fundamental analysis trader, or investor, where he is taking advantage when he is buying, or if you know technical analysis traders, when they are buying, when they are selling, if you know all this information, it's easy for you to take advantage, because in market, if you know the trend, if you know the direction where a lot of people are betting on, is very important. So understanding this topic will help you to understand the psychology of these traders. When you know the psychology of all these traders, you can take advantage in every action what they try to do. So in my opinion, it is good to be a versatile trader, learning all the concepts so that you understand the psychology and mentality of these traders and try to take advantage of their moves. So therefore, keep learning. Always there is no end for learning. That's why I always say keep learning and learning. How much ever you learn, how much ever experience you get, the more you learn, the more you understand the markets. So hope this video was an add-on to your knowledge. We will be sharing more such learning videos to you guys. So hit that subscribe button and like button. See you soon in my next learning video. And do let me know if you want me to do any topic. Do let me know in the comment section. We'll be having a lot of learning about it. So see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.